Oh yeah, look at that.
All right, I'm sure you cannot hear this, but I have put together this VEVOR stove. It is going full blast. I decided to go gas for our test, and it was very easy to put together, but I will say this is the very first product I've ever had that didn't have any instructions. I'm guessing somehow they didn't get put in the packaging. Luckily, I've done enough of these stoves that I know how to put them together and how they work. So it is running, it is heating up. I'm gonna get it up fully to temperature, and then we're gonna try cooking some pizza tonight, see how that goes, and I'm gonna let you know, because I've seen variations. Sometimes they don't hold the temperature so well, all kinds of crazy things. Sometimes they're hard to get pizza in and out. Anyway, we're gonna make the most of it. I got some of those. We're gonna make some cool pizzas and see how it works so that you know. So today's pro tip for this particular oven is, I take the gas, I crank it up, get the stone really hot, and then when I put the food in, I turn the gas all the way down so it doesn't burn the top. So it melts the top, and the crust gets nice and crusty. When you hear it start to snap, crackle, pop, it's time to do the rotate. Hear the snap, crackle, pop. Look at that. Perfect.
That looks nice. Oh yeah, look at that. Perfecto.
Now I'm just gonna go turn up the fire. Turn it up to the next one, get that stone ready. Because I'm gonna burn the roof of my mouth for everybody. Look at this delicious pizza that Nikki made for me. Oh yeah, me and the dog burning our mouth.
They're so good.
Good, really good. This pizza oven's absolutely a ton of fun and makes delicious pizza. If you want one, there's gonna be a link right here on the screen, or the dog will tell you where the link is, which is down in the description. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment what your favorite slice of pizza is. Hope that was helpful. See you in the next video.